Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Sagittarius, this is the reading for the month of June for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is the Eight of Wands. So if there is something that you want should happen, or if you have been waiting for some kind of news, if you have applied for jobs, if you are waiting for the return on your investment, or any of these, what I do see is things are going to happen very quickly. You're going to get the news very quickly, you're going to get your profits very quickly, you are going to get everything is going to come to you at the same time. Because if you take a look at this cards, there are multiple wands in the same category, in a sense that not category, I think category would be a wrong word, but in a sense that everything is coming at the same time, and the number 8 represents sign of Saturn. So for you, for many of you, I do feel this has got to do with your career. So a lot of changes, a lot of things are going to happen in your career, a lot of positivity is coming towards you in your career. The next card that I have for you guys is the Sith. So number 14. So this is a magical card. Magical in a sense, what this card depicts is you have angels whispering you, that angels are surrounding you and they are telling you what exactly you have to do. So this magical portion that's coming, this is coming because of your hard work. So if you get a news, if you get an offer, just take the offer, because I do feel this is coming from beyond our realm, and you are going to be supported in terms of whatever it is that you are going to do. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Swords card, which is telling me that there might have been things that are kind of making you feel stressed. So this is a time of stress, but also this time is where you have to start thinking of ways that you can invest your money moving forward, so you don't have to go through this financial crunch. I do feel financially things might not be great grand right now, or there could be less liquidity. So finances could be good, but the liquidity that one needs in finances, that could be hard. And also some of you might start a new job and you might be a little bit stressed, because it is something that you've never done before, and it would be something that you are experiencing for the first time ever. The next card I have is four of chalices. So four of chalices talks about diversifying your interests. So if you guys have been working towards one goal for a really long time, the four of chalices tells you to diversify, to go beyond, to not say no to any opportunities just because they are not matching. This card also tells you to keep yourself open to other options, because there is an option that is going to come knocking towards you, but you're going to be too obsessed with the plans that you have had that you're going to forget that there is something which is coming in the background, like somebody wants to offer you something. The next card that I have for you is the Three of Chalices. So it does seem like you're moving backwards, and Three of Chalices is a card of celebration. So if you keep yourself open to the opportunities that are going to come, and if you welcome them right, you are going to be in this stage where you are happy, you are enjoying. I do feel very soon you guys will have an opportunity to attend a social gathering, a party perhaps. So keep your eyes open and don't say no to any invitation. Sorry. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Athame. So far, if you look at these, it does seem like you guys are doing a lot of mental thinking. So a lot of things could be going on right now that are giving you mental stress. So make sure you are meditating while you're spending time outside, because you have to think of long term. And also considering you're the sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarius people are half human, half animal. So you have that animalistic instinct to go after things you want. But at the same time, by universe, you have also been given this opportunity to think of the long term. So make sure you're thinking of long term. There are chances of getting manipulated by somebody or suffering a loss. So make sure you are taking precautions really, really well. The next card I have for you is the Tower card. So something is definitely changing. Your mindset is changing. Your ideologies are changing. You are going to go through a massive change this month, my Sagittarians. Whether your ascendant, your moon sign, or your Saturn is in Sagittarius, definitely something is going on. You are leaving behind a major part of it. And then I have the Nine of Chalices. Nine of Chalices is telling me you're going to have self-confidence issues. There, if you are already employed, this means that you might be given a new task to do and you might not feel very comfortable doing it. So what you are going to feel like is you're going to feel like, oh my god, I'm not sure whether I can do this or not. At the bottom of the deck I have the Five of Wands, and Five of Wands is, again, it's a card when you have a lot of mixed energy, and all this energy is not at the same place, so it's scattered. Definitely, guys, hang in there, hang tight, because I do feel like there are going to be plenty of ups and downs. You are going to be stressed, you are going to feel left out, you're going to feel like, oh my god, that there are so many things to do and you have nothing under control. From Moonology deck, the first card I have is it's time to take action. So full new moon in Aries. So first house is getting activated. And for Sagittarius sign, this would mean that your fifth house is getting activated, because that is where your Aries would be. So definitely something new is about to start. I do see a good news, especially for people who are looking for a new job. You are going to get invite for an interview if that is something you want. You have the focus, you have the energy. It's just that you're being too worrisome at the moment that you're unable to focus that energy well. Another card I have for you is your commitment is being tested. So something is taking a while, because the Tower card has come up, and Tower card usually depicts that something is coming to an end. Something is ending because it has served its purpose. So I'm sorry for the lighting in this video, guys. I'll manage it next time, or I'll do better next time. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.